All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a new wig from one of my favorite companies, AliPearl. So if you're interested in how I laid and slayed this look, keep on watching. All right, y'all, so starting off, this is everything that comes in the box from AliPearl, and this is the wig. This is their loose deep wave 26-inch lace wig. It is 200% density and does have HD lace that I'm super excited about, because 9 times out of 10 HD lace is always going to give you the most natural and flawless install. So starting off, you guys, I'm just gonna pluck this wig a bit. I probably spent about 20 minutes plucking, not anything longer than that, and I'm just really getting rid of the line of demarcation. So I'm going to show you one side that I plucked and then the other side that I didn't, just so you'll see the difference. I really took my time with this wig. One is because I love the hair, love the company, love the construction of the wig, love the HD lace, and I really wanted this install to just look a little bit more natural. So I'm just studying different techniques, looking at different people and how they do their thing, and just trying to mimic those that I follow on Instagram and love. So this is just a comparison of one side that's plucked and the other that's not. So this is the wig, you guys. This is all the hair in all its glory. It is absolutely beautiful. I was so hyped for it, but this wig does not fit me. Oh my gosh, it was such a bummer. But I'm going to show you how I fixed that and how I ended up laying this wig anyways, because it's not my first rodeo, not the first time a wig hasn't fit me. It ain't gonna be the last. So just going in and removing the lace, you guys. This lace is so thin, so comfortable. It's thin lace, it's not hard brown, that kind of thing. So you do have to be gentle, a little bit more careful with it, but it's gonna melt in your skin so easy. I typically do not do this kind of install as well. I typically just do my regular spray the free spray on my, on my forehead and then apply my wig, but I'm doing it different this time. I've done it this way a couple times. Each time I do it, I'm not the biggest fan. However, I thought since using the HD lace, it would come out a little bit better, and I think it did. I just have practice, you guys. I just got to keep practicing and get my technique right and everything like that. But yeah, so just cutting this lace off, using my free spray, and then just blowing down and working in small sections as well. I'm starting to realize that working in small sections and really taking your time whenever you are melting a lace, doing your baby hair, whatever, really makes a huge difference with how your install is going to come out. So this is the hair, you guys. I wanted to wear it just like this because I thought it was beautiful. Y'all know I love some big hair, but yeah, I didn't. I'm gonna go ahead and style it really quickly for you guys. So I typically don't pluck my part, but I really, like I said, I was really focusing on taking my time with this wig and making it look super natural. So I just went on ahead and widened the part just a tiny bit. And now I'm just going in with my baby hair. So my baby hair was my main focus this go around. I did, like y'all can tell, I did slightly over bleach my knots, but I was working with a new bleach, you guys, and it's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. So anyways, that's neither here nor there. We're gonna focus on these baby hair. Oh, that rhymed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just taking off little bits at a time as far as my hairline goes. Remember, you can always take off more, but you can't add back. And just going in with my design essentials and working in small sections. This does dry down pretty quickly, so you want to move kind of fast, and plus you don't want your lace to lift. So really you just want to use a light hand. That's pretty much what it comes down to. So after I kind of put a little bit of lotion on, like the foaming pomade lotion, whatever you want to call it, I went on ahead and start styling my baby hair. I'll be doing like different things and trying different swoops and techniques and looks for a couple weeks now until I get something down that I really like. And this is actually going to be my first time like doing my edges like this. So I don't know. I think they came out pretty decent. I did like them. I thought it was something different. But yeah, so just gonna go ahead and finish laying these baby hair, you guys, which was really easy. I do highly recommend plucking your frontal just a little bit, just to really give you a more natural install. And this is what I'm doing just to cover up that side that didn't fit, you guys. I really just take a larger piece and just swoop it down, so I don't really do any baby hair over here. I'm just trying to cover that lace so that if my hair happens to fly up with the wind or whatever, you won't see my lace and you won't see that if my wig didn't fit. I do this all the time. No one can ever tell. And the fact that this is HD lace just made the process a lot easier because it didn't fit. It's kind of just like it was really no big deal. But you do want to be careful whenever you are taking your wig off. If your wig does not fit, you don't want to pull out your real hair or anything like that. So just be careful. So yeah, you guys. So this is how we are looking after we've let everything dry. And this is the hair without any product, you guys. I absolutely loved it. I'm just gonna add in a few layers around my face, and that's really it, because I think it definitely needed a little bit. But the waves, I don't want to say the waves because it's like a loose deep, and it's a true loose deep to me, but it was just so pretty. If you don't like big hair, that's fine. This hair did not get really big on me at all. So it was a nice like in between. It had some volume to it, but not too much. As you can see in the beginning of the video, that's about as big as it got on me, which was perfect, especially if you are in a warmer climate. I think this is just, oh my god, you guys, y'all don't know how much I fell in love with this wig. It's probably my #1 right now, and I'm so freaking bummed that it doesn't fit, but yeah, I'm gonna figure that out, because I have a feeling that my natural hair underneath was just not flat enough, and I don't know, I'll figure something out, because this hair is beautiful. It came super soft. I didn't get any shedding, any tangling, anything, you guys. And if you've seen my AliPearl videos, you know they are like my #1, simply because they just give you excellent quality, like back to back to back, and I just never have to think twice with them. They just, yeah, you definitely get your money's worth and then some when it comes to AliPearl. And if you've ever DM'd me on Instagram and all that stuff, ask for my opinion, because I know a lot of you have. You know, I always tell you, if you can afford AliPearl, if you can do it, spend the money on it. I highly recommend it, because the hair will last you and you will not be disappointed. So same thing with this texture, with this loose deep wave. It's so pretty, you guys, and I highly recommend it. It's going to be so low key as well. It doesn't require a lot of product, a lot of maintenance, a lot of anything. So if you can't tell how much I like this wig, then I don't know what to tell you. So I'm just finishing up final touches, y'all. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. I will put everything about this wig down below in the description, like always. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your support. And yeah, I guess I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.